If there ever was such a thing as a company that could do almost anything, well, Tenneke Properties is it. These guys know how to completely transform your existing home into something new, or just do it room by room. That's Tenneke Properties. Visit Tenneke.com or phone 931-244-4602.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your evening update.
Downright cold across the Tennessee Valley on this Monday. After starting as low as the upper single digits in some areas, the best we've done is 20s for daytime highs today. Plenty of sunshine, but didn't really help a lot with the Siberian air mass in place across the area today. Clouds are starting to increase from the west, and that's going to keep overnight lows from falling quite as low tonight as what they were last night. You do see a few light radar returns out into Arkansas, Oklahoma. That will be evaporating in the dry air mass as it tries to reach our area, but clouds will make it as we head through the next 24 hours. Best Lawrenceburg Airport could do this afternoon was 21 for a daytime high. The morning low was 7 degrees this morning. Wind chill values were as low as -4 to -5 to start our Monday. Of course, no rainfall or precipitation today. We expect that to be the same for the next few days before maybe a few flurries Friday, and then rain chances coming Saturday night into Sunday and early next week. We'll talk about it all in the forecast. 28 was the best the Muscle Shoals Airport could do, and that was actually a little warmer by a few degrees than all of the surrounding stations in the Shoals. So many of the Shoals only in the mid-20s today after starting at 14 degrees. Again, no rainfall there. Maybe a flurry tomorrow. Another chance of flurries on Friday, and then rain chances Saturday night into Sunday. Mostly clear this evening, but clouds increasing overnight. That acts as an insulating blanket so that what little bit of heat there is in the atmosphere can't radiate out into space. So we're talking about only mid to upper teens for overnight lows toward daybreak. Clouds sticking around for the first half to 2/3 of the day tomorrow. Daytime highs only in the mid to upper 20s across the area. Maybe a brief 30 over North Alabama. Also notice at the far northern edge of the light snow shield in Alabama, trying to get a little close to places like southern Morgan County, southern Lawrence County or so. That's the reason why I can't rule out a stray flurry south of the Tennessee River tomorrow over North Alabama, but I don't expect any impacts, don't expect any accumulation in our viewing area. We are highly confident that the actual winter storm conditions stay well to the south of our viewing area. It's very possible this model is actually just incorrectly too far north with this light precipitation. Most of the models keep it even farther south, so no issues in our local area except for the cold conditions. Clouds start to clear out tomorrow afternoon, and that means downright cold tomorrow night. We're already back into the teens just after sunset. Tomorrow night's lows will be down into the mid to upper single digits across the areas we begin daybreak Wednesday morning, and that's not wind chill. That's the morning lows by daybreak on Wednesday, starting in the mid to upper single digits across the area. We do briefly get above freezing by the afternoon. Mix of sun and clouds here for Wednesday, Thursday. A Clipper system comes across as we head into Friday. Not a Gulf moisture connection with that, but wringing out every little bit of moisture it can with the actual disturbance itself. So that may give us a few light snow flurries on Friday. No impact or accumulation or anything like that. That will scoot on out of the way. We're quiet for Saturday. If you have outdoor plans Saturday during the daytime hours, it's going to be in the 40s to near 50, but plenty of sunshine. Clouds increase by the afternoon, and then rain moving into the area overnight Saturday night, and especially on Sunday. And with temperatures above freezing over the weekend here, Saturday night into Sunday, yes, it will be rain. But before then, we have downright frigid weather by Tennessee Valley standards. Head of that the next couple days. The best we do tomorrow afternoon for a daytime high is the mid-20s after starting in the mid-teens, and then down to the single digits Wednesday morning for a low. In some regions, especially southern middle Tennessee, it may be closer to 5 to 7 degrees versus the 9 you see on the graphic. That's a midpoint average between southern middle Tennessee and northwest Alabama. But we do start moderating the temperatures as we head late week in the weekend. And by the start of next week, we have daytime highs back into the lower 50s area-wide, it looks like. Cold tonight, clouds increasing, so Not quite as cold as what we were last night, but still plenty cold down into the mid to upper teens. A couple flurries possible south of the Tennessee River in North Alabama tomorrow. Only a slight chance of that and not a big deal even if it does happen. Partly cloudy Wednesday, Thursday. A few more flurries possible area wide on Friday, but still not talking about any impacts from that. Rain arrives into the area Saturday night into Sunday, maybe lingering into early next week. That's Look your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock for a final check of your local weather.